Check out our newest funnel and website update. Now we have image action options. The Enhanced Image Action Options feature provides you with versatile actions for images, improving functionality and user engagement on both your websites and on your funnels. There are a ton of benefits with this. First, this is going to enhance versatility. Now you can choose from a bunch of different actions like hiding an element, showing an element, initiating a phone call, SMS, or even an email through images. It's also going to enhance your user engagement because now you can create interactive and dynamic user experiences such as pop-ups or even navigation actions. This is going to improve navigation overall. Now you can simplify user navigation by linking images to specific actions. One of the things I really love about this gives us the possibility of using images in place of buttons. So we really can get creative on how we use these images to create a path for people to go ahead and follow. Now, when your business wants to guide users through a sales funnel, you can use image actions to even hide certain items or to navigate to the next step, making the process seamless and engaging for your users. This kind of goes back to what I was talking about in using images in place of traditional buttons to really enhance that visual appeal and the navigation of your funnels and websites. Let me show you where this is located. Because this is a Sites feature, you're going to go under Sites in the left-hand navigation, and then you're going to utilize either funnels or websites. For this example, we're going to use a funnel, so we're going to click on either plus new funnel, or we're going to go ahead and edit an existing funnel. Now, when you're in a funnel, you want to go ahead and edit one of your funnel steps. And of course, you need to have the section and the row, so make sure to get those put in. And then you're going to be utilizing one of the image features. So either an image feature or just an image. Now go ahead and add that image in. So you'll click on the image, and then after that, you're going to go to General, and then you're going to go to the actions, as seen here on my screen. When that opens up, you're going to see all of these action options. This is where you're going to see the scroll or the next step, call, SMS. There are a bunch in there. This feature significantly boosts your website and your funnel's interactivity. This is going to provide a rich user experience, and it's also going to give you a new option to really streamline your navigation. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.